So in the theme of powering devices with our AC mains, look at this cool device I picked up at Wally World. 20 bucks. Indoor Wi-Fi controlled outlet. Look at there. You can use your smartphone. Okay, I don't really have a use for this, but I thought it was cool. So 15 amp working load. Figure out something. So I'm anxious to see what this is all about. I'm assuming it won't be difficult to hook up. Depends on if the app works. You know, the software's everything when it comes to stuff like this. Probably to connect to the Wi-Fi, no? So just to be clear, you have to have your own Wi-Fi area set up, you know, that you can control to work this. But if you're in an environment that you have that, this should work great. I'm just setting up the app and it looks like I have to plug the device in now. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll put it right there. Yep, the blue light is blinking, isn't it? If not, follow the other steps. Alright, step 2. Alright, I think I can do this. I don't need all these steps, do I? Nah. Well, maybe I do. Well, check this out. Very fast, very easy to program. I just went into settings here and I like it because it has this timer function right here, and you can add timers. You can add a programmable timer, countdown timer, astronomical, holiday, and security random timer. You know, turn it on and off randomly during the night or when you're on vacation. And I checked it out. It's really easy to use. Like if you went with a programmable timer, you can just check all the days that you want, on and off. And it's that simple. So I'm not going to leave this here as a CNC light. That's kind of silly. I'll use it for something else more useful. But you can hook, like if you buy more than one of these, you can put them on the same app and then you can line them up, you know, and use them and move them around on this thing. But yeah, 20 bucks. The Eco module at Wally World. I like it.